think what I'm thinking?
What? Why on earth are we having the same thoughts? But we are two different women.
Do you think our prince is still a man? Or has he joined one of those girls in America?
Ah! Shona!
What?
How can you be saying such in this 4 weeks of the palace?
We're not the only ones here. See here. What I'm trying to say is that the prince has never made an advance in us. And they're beautiful girls. I've never seen him with any woman. See, he needs to choose a girl. The prince needs to choose a girl.
Do you blame him? How do you think you can stay with that mosquito? Eh? That idiot that loves doing this.
Really? Beautiful. Exquisite. Excellent. What a brilliant act. Now the both of you get down on your knees.
I'll be back.
Hello, Ma. Why did you call me to your village for this competition? Do you have another at heart?
Another. My dear friend, I wanted the prince all to myself. In fact, we already started dating. Everybody in this village knows about us. People were rooting for me. It was so sweet. So I thought, until one day the beast in him came out. The arrogant man couldn't even look me in the face and tell me it's over. Do you know what he did? He wrote in a piece of paper and sent to my family saying that he's no longer interested. No, can you imagine?
What? Just like that?
Just like that. No information. He didn't even come to me. He wrote, I am not interested, and sent to my family.
Wait, hold on. I do not see the prince as arrogant as you portray.
Is that what you think? Don't worry, you will see for yourself. You know, he tries as much as he can to be humble before people. But you see, when that beast in him surfaces, he cannot even control it.
Okay, tell me. What do you want me to do for you? Because clearly, you do not want the prince for me. Why did you invite me here for this competition?
I want you to humiliate him in public, just like he did to me.
What? Humiliate the prince of this kingdom publicly? I do not... Come on! I do not have that luxury. Besides, he has done me no harm.
But he has done me harm. I will never let anything evil come to you. We've come a long way. And I believe you would do so for me. Isn't it, this man has practically jeopardized my plans of getting married to any male child in this village. Alright? Everybody sees me as the rejected one. People mocks at me. I need to give him back what he has given to me. And I can't do it without your help. You need to look me in the eyes and tell me that you are in this with me. Isn't it? I am hurt. And you need to deal with this prince for me.
Nobody can have it all. Nobody can have it all. We want to have it all. That's the problem. You can never have it all.
Okay? You need to do this for me.
Amy, hey, you see how you're shining. Your color is changing gradually.
My color is changing. I don't understand. Apart from eating healthy.
Apart from eating healthy, See that you're changing oil. Bro, something is happening. You can't pursue the change oil for you. You're changing oil and you don't want to tell me the truth. Tell me what is happening.
Uche, I've always known you as a corny guy. I still do not understand what you're saying.
All I'm saying is, Naija is the secret why you're shining. I've seen Naija come in and out of your house countless times. Bro, tell me, how is the journey? That girl doesn't want to give you anybody. I know that you're eating something. Tell me, how was it?
Is it that easy?
Yeah.
It's not easy. I've tried. I've done my possible best. Not very easy. That girl's name should be Equina. No grief for anybody.
I told you that girl is very stingy, but you didn't hear. I know who has been servicing and changing oil for you.
And who could that be?
Amarachi, of course. I've been seeing your mago and all those your way with her. That girl must be
Amarachi
sweet.
is not servicing anything. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go now.
Hey, never. Oh no. Good day.
Amarachi, what are you doing here? Emeka is not around. So what have you come to do?
I am not here to see Emeka. I am here to see you, oh no.
To see me? Why? I thought we are gracing each other anytime Emeka is around.
I know. But there's a problem.
What problem are you talking about?
I am pregnant.
That's a good news. Have you told Emeka? At least that will now make him to marry you quick.
Oh no, Emeka is not the father of my child.
Like seriously? Don't tell me you are seeing another man.
Of course not. I am not seeing another man. Just you. I'm here to tell you that you are the father of my child.
How can you say that? How can you tell me I'm the father of your child? How many times have we even come together? How many times have we slept? How many times? Huh? Yes, now how many times?
No, are you seriously telling me that or no? No, are you seriously telling me that? What are you even saying? Should I start counting? How many times you have done? No, don't tell me to calm down. Do you want me to start counting? You said that when you see me as a teenager, when I used to come to your house to fetch water, you took advantage of me. And now you are telling me that you are not the father of my child? Oh no, I put it to you that you are the father of my child.
It's alright. It's alright. Why not send me your account number? So that we'll put some money. We need to do something fast before anybody will notice it.
I will do no such thing. I will not kill my child.
Hey.
Did you hear about that lady that just did abortion and she died? Oh, you want me to die?
No. Amarachi.
Oh no, I will not kill my child.
Amarachi, you are not that lady now. Eh? You cannot have a child for me now. It's not possible. You want to ruin my reputation. Eh? It's not possible. Okay? Let's do this thing fast before anybody will notice.
Then do your job. Oh no, you have only one job, to make your son to marry me. Else! Else! You know what that means. Else! You will hear from me. Oh.
Hey, Afimewa. Oh no. Okay.
Hey. You okay?
Sure, I am.
What are you thinking?
What makes you think I'm thinking?
Face.
Well, there's nothing wrong with my face.
It tells a lot. It tells that you're thinking of something.
Well, I've heard some things, rumors, as it may seem.
You mean the one that called me a heartbreaker?
Well, I do not want to believe it. I want to hear it from you. Uloma is my friend. And at the moment, I stay in her house. I want to know, is this how you treat all your women?
Well, first off, I want to apologize for making Uloma feel the way she felt, but I don't see anything wrong in trying to get the right person that fits the brief that I want in a wife. She just doesn't fit into the kind of woman I'm looking for. So I think it's the manner which I did it that is wrong. But...
And you had to tell her all this in a letter. Who does that?
Okay, I'm sorry. Alright? And I'm sorry for making Uloma feel that way. I think I shouldn't have done it like that.
Yeah, you shouldn't have.
Land full of honey, land full of blessings. Our king is no more, man. I can be from love of east and west, love of north and south. Who go be my
Uloma!
King's choice and list. For perfect woman, perfection can make this choice come true. It's on a high side. The king's list, you must have a good man for sure. No madness, no family, no drunkard.
Okay.
You must be educated.
What brings you here? I wasn't expecting you.
I bought this for you.
Tell the prince that I said thanks.
It's not actually from the prince. It's from me. I have been wanting to buy you something special, but you're always up with the prince. But now I'm free. I think I should express the way I feel about you. Can you be my girlfriend?
You say?
I say, can you be my girlfriend?
Hey. Nice. In our church, you're laughing. How can I ask you? Wait, Okechi, eh? I don't know how to put this English. I don't know how to. Also, should I even speak Igbo? What gave you the guts to walk into my father's compound and ask me out? Oh wait, okay, because the prince humiliated me, you now think it's an opportunity for you to walk up to me and ask me to be your girlfriend? As again now, don't you know your class?
No, Loma, it's not like that. I know you deserve anybody of your choice, but I just want you to have it at heart that anybody can become something tomorrow.
Can you become a prince tomorrow? Oga, answer me now. Do you have a royal blood in you?
Not really.
Not really. Oga Naba, come and go. I can see I'm playing too much with you. I am beginning to laugh too much with you. That is why you think you can walk into my father's compound and ask me out.
I'm just...
Get out!
Just think about what I told you.
Get out! Come on, pass on! Come on, get out! You're boarding. Roma, I just want to know if you can be my girlfriend. Let me see her. It's still Roma. Girlfriend, walk there. Get out. Rubbish.
What is the matter? You look worried. No, Father, don't tell me it's about the throne.
Not at all. Not about the throne. When are you getting married to Amarachi? Yes. You know, she's a beautiful young lady that has a good background. I will not want you to lose her for another man. That's my concern.
Father, have I ever told you that I want to marry Amarachi? Amarachi is just my friend, and let's keep it that way. Right?
So you are telling me that all this while you have been with this young, beautiful lady, you don't even have any plan of marrying her? I hope you are not planning to ruin the reputation of this house, this family.
How? How am I trying to ruin the reputation of this family? How? By not marrying Amarachi? Look, Father, Amarachi is a young, beautiful woman. And like you say, I believe there are men out there who wants her. So she should go out there, because I'm not going to stop her from getting married.
I think I know what to do. Yes, I will go and pay her bride price in your name. That is what I will do.
Father, you will try no such thing. Yes, because the moment you're there paying her bride price, just know it right in your skull that you're getting yourself a wife. You can't force me to get married. I married who I chose, and at the right time. Of course, I'm old enough to know what I want. Excuse me, Father.
Oh no. When is your son coming to pay my bride price?
Yeah. See, I have tried all I can. But the maker is not giving me listening ears, even with all the threats.
That means you did not threaten him enough. Yes. Look, no. My tummy is started showing. And soon people will start asking who the father is. Trust me now. I will shout, oh. I will tell the whole villagers who the father of my child is. No, don't shut me up. Don't tell me to calm down. You have to do the needful. Don't tell me to shut up.
You know the bush have ears. Now, okay, what if I marry to you? You know my wife is no more. And I don't think there's anything bad marrying a new wife. Or there are no bad. Can no one know? Huh?
Me, Amarachi, marry you to fear. Hey, I know you hate me. I know you hate me from the very moment you started touching me. I know you hate me. So you want me, as beautiful as I am, to marry an old man like you. I reject it.
Yeah. So I'm now an old man because I want to marry you. But I've been sleeping with you now. What is bad? Is it not the same thing? What is different?
There's a lot of difference. Oh no. Yes, I can sleep with you in secret. But I don't want you. It is your son that I want. I want you to make your son to marry me. I have been in love with your son even before he traveled. And you took advantage of it and molested me. Now it is time for you to pay for your evil deeds. Else, I will shout, oh, I will tell the whole villagers who the father of my child is. Try me. Do the needful. Oh no, do the needful. I will talk, oh. I will talk. Just try me. I've told you my own.
So I'm now an old man for marriage. But secret. Oh no, Mbano. Hey. Oh no. Anyway, I have nothing to regret. Oh, Chopper.
Wait, what's he doing?
I don't even understand.
Wait, he's dancing, Very funny guy.
Just take it.
Yes.
Look at what I'm showing you.
Yeah. I'm looking at it. Stop. Wait. What are you doing? Amara, wait. Stop now. What is it?
Mika, I should be asking you what is it. Why are you acting as if you don't want this? I know you want Mika. I want please that you want. Let's go inside.
Can you stop? Amara, stop. Who put you up to this? My father?
No. What are you even saying? No one put me up to this. I like you. In fact, I love you.
Stop already! Stop! Stop! What is wrong with you? Huh? Look, Amara. I love you so much, but just as a friend. Only but a friend, alright?
Emeka, what is going on? No, what is the meaning of this? You used to love me.
Stay.
We were so close.
Stay.
What's changed? Wait. Don't tell me you got yourself another girlfriend when you went to the city. What? Is the girl in this village? Wait. Emeka. Don't tell me it's that nurse. Are you rejecting me because of that nurse?
Amara, I'm sorry I have to make you feel this way. Alright? I've had nothing but true friendship for you. Okay? Amara, you're such a beautiful, wonderful and amazing girl. Alright? I advise you to go out there and give someone else a chance to love you. Yes, I believe someone else out there might probably love you better. Please, I'm not in for all this.
Emeka,
please.
Read my lips. I want you, and I'm going to have you. And that is a period.
You cannot have me. You cannot have me. Please, just do what I just said. I knew my father is up to something. I know.
Your face is looking serious again. Did I do anything wrong?
Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
If you are still dating Ulama and you found out their etches and I was her cousin, would you have quit?
Well, I think the boss we never dated. Does that bother you?
Actually, it does. Because I feel it's not enough reason to reject any woman. Not just any woman, anyone at all.
Okay, I'm sorry for bringing that up again. I apologize.
It's okay.
So, you come for the family dinner?
What family dinner?
I would want you to meet my parents. And when coming, you can come with your parents as well.
About that, it's just my mom.
Nurse Naza, I want to talk to you.
So how may I help you?
Unfortunately, you cannot help me. I want to warn you to stay away from my man.
Which man are you talking about? I mean, does he come to my hospital?
I can see you are a pretender. No problem. But I want you to stay away from Emeka.
Okay. Oh, you mean Emeka? Okay. But wait, why are you asking? Is there a problem?
You must be stupid. You must be mad for asking me that. Are you deaf? Didn't you hear me when I said Emeka is my man and I said stay away from him? Else you wouldn't...
Oh, you will what? Huh? You will what? Okay, you think you can startle me, right? Have you been arrested before? Have you been behind bars before? No, right? Be careful. Okay, be careful.
Look, nurse, I don't do police things. Yes, I don't mean here police. I will deal with you personally. Yes?
Now you listen. I don't fight. Okay? Ask about me. I don't fight. I'm just a nurse in this village. Okay? Just stay off. Did you get me? Stay
You don't
off.
fight?
Yeah.
You don't fight?
Yes.
And you're going close to what belongs to me. Eh?
You like don't what? You like to your own right? So you want to mess with me? Fool.
My eyes! My eyes! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Oh my god! Oh my god! My eyes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Somebody help!
Is the guts for me. Imagine that man coming here to apologize to me after disgracing me publicly, after the whole humiliation. But not to worry, we go show and pepper.
Olamba, up until now, I haven't seen the arrogance you talked about in the prince. I only see a gentleman.
You don't know this guy. You're not from this village. I know this guy well. Don't worry, very soon you will experience the monster in him. I notice it's beginning to fall for you. And when the time is right, when you want to introduce you to the elders, that is when you will present him with your own list, stating that he is not qualified to be your husband.
But do you realize that if the prince do not present a wife on the day of the coronation, the crown will be taken from them?
That is not my business. I don't care. That is not my main concern here. My concern here is to see the look on his face when you will reject him before his mother and the elders. That is the only thing that matters.
Oloma, are you willing to go that far just to avenge your humiliation?
You sound as if you're developing cold feet already. Are you falling for this guy?
I won't lie. I find him lovable and...
You can love him for all I care. You can find him attractive for all I care. That is not my business. It doesn't change the fact that he's a monster and a wicked person. And that will not stop the fact that I called you here for a reason. So help me. And I know you will come through for me, or won't you? Ezinne, won't you?
I will.
Good.
My queen, it is time. Yes, it is time you hand me over the royal staff.
What?
Yes.
Oh no.
Have you gone mad? No, how dare you sit in my presence and request that I should hand over what made us royal to you?
See, my queen, it's no longer about your family, but about the well-being of the community. See, the autonomous community will take over the throne from us without hesitation. If we do not have a king, they will take it over. Now, and we cannot crown the prince, the king, if he does not have a wife. You know what that
Oh
means?
no, let me shock you. My son now have a woman betrothed to him.
And who is this woman that we are talking about? Is she invisible that we cannot at least behold her?
No, she is not invisible. As a matter of fact, she is right here in this palace. Do you wish to see her?
Yes, of course.
Oh no, there is no point having this couple. I already have a woman I want to have. She will be presented to her.
Are you saying that she's not here just like the queen said?
Oh no, let's leave all this talk. Like I said,
There is a woman in my life. I have a woman. Okay? So the kingdom is in safe hands. And she will be presented on my 31st birthday.
It's all right. I'm going.
That will be enough, please. What is the matter with you? We have Bianca to present to them.
Mom, I have a woman in my life. Why present Bianca when there's a woman in my life? Tomorrow, she will be unveiled.
hey, Naza, I was actually on my way to your house.
What for? What for? And don't even tell me you came for treatment. Because I'm aware that you're not sick. Yes, I'm aware.
Oh, this is serious. Naza, what have I done to deserve this your ill treatment? What is wrong?
As the humble face for me. Emeka, you think I don't know you have a girlfriend in this village? You think? But yet, you come to me reciting poem. All in the name of what? Confessing feelings.
Naza, I'm a bit confused right now. What are you talking about? A girlfriend? Well, of course, you're the only woman I have.
Only woman? Come on, Emeka, I'm not a fool. Okay? I'm not a fool. You have a girlfriend. A serious girlfriend. Okay? I mean, what am I even still doing here with you? I should be leaving.
Hey,
I'm not a fool.
hey. Emeka, so this is the thing you've been cheating on me with after getting me pregnant.
Getting you pregnant?
I know what you want to do. You want to put shame in my name in this village. It will not work for you because of this thing.
Hey, get out of this place! No, tell her! Naza, please don't listen to this guy. Tell her you're lying! No, tell her you're lying!
How can I be lying? Emeka, how can I be lying when I'm pregnant?
She's lying,
for
alright?
you. I am pregnant for you. How can I be lying?
Are you a witch? Naza! Please! She's lying, please! You're not pregnant for me, please!
I'm your child.
Go. Leave! Are you a witch? Are you... Naza, please!
Our baby is
She's not pregnant for me! She's lying!
Needs you. I'm
Are you a witch? Leave me alone! Get out! Leave! She's not pregnant, please!
I'm pregnant.
Leave me alone! Just get out! Get out!
I'm pregnant.
Oh!
Our baby needs you.
Are you worst?
You look so beautiful. Well, if he wants you to meet his mom, it simply means that he wants to get serious with you. Okay? Please, Ezinne. Remember not to share your cousin's identity with him. If he asks you, tell him that he is my cousin, just like I've claimed already. Okay. Do not ruin our plans.
I want.
Biko, I am begging you.
I want. The food. I don't know the type of food he was talking about. Besides, I don't even know how to prepare.
Don't worry yourself. I had it all sorted out already.
Wow. Okay, but tell me the plan so I won't mess everything up.
I already made a cooler of angara soup. Okay? Okechi will bring it to the kitchen. All you have to do is just pretend like you're cooking in the kitchen and he will bring it. When he brings it, then you serve them the meal.
I see you have all of this planned out.
Have you forgotten my ways in the old days?
Tell me, how did you get Okechi to agree to all of this?
Okay. Do you want to hear that?
Hold that thought. I don't think I want to know.
Alright, baby. Please be careful.
Always.
Be mindful of your words, so I know what you respond to the prince. So.
I got you.
Alright, baby. Be safe.
So this place is not big enough to erect 5-star hotel. Not big enough. Maybe we'll make use of the land.
Are you sure they're going to sell that other place, babe?
They will sell it to me now. Money is talk. Hey! Please, Naza.
What?
Listen to me.
What is
please.
it? What?
Naza, please. Whatever Amarachi said to you was all lies. Alright? Please.
Emeka, I'm running late. Please, let me be.
Just a minute of your time and I will explain everything to you. Please. Listen. What?
Oh, she didn't tell you, right? Oh, I see she didn't tell you that I have a pepper spray. She didn't tell you. No, come. Come! Do you want to have a taste? Come! I will spray this on your face right now. Oh, you're scared. I thought as much. Fool.
What was that drama all about? Who have an issue?
Uche, devil fool everywhere. Devil day everywhere. On a low. Once you want to lay your hands on a beautiful thing, they will just surface from anywhere, come around from nowhere.
No vex. What's be the good thing when you lay her hand on? Naza? We there they discuss business of extending the land so that you can build what you want to build. You won't leave me come out?
So you manage the little orphanage at Umochi community?
Yes, my queen. They are sweet souls. And I can't imagine doing anything else.
Wow. You know what? I am donating 5 million naira to the orphanage.
Really? Thank you, my queen.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
It's okay. You are a nice woman. A good woman. And you raised a good girl here. A good cook.
Exactly. I was about saying that because it's rare to see a pretty girl like her making anara soup, especially in this generation. Because what they do these days is making continental dishes, but knowing how to make our local dishes is really, really impressive. So it goes to show that means that you trained up a responsible girl, and I applaud you for that.
Thank you, my prince. I'm surprised myself. I didn't teach her this. The only person that can cook this in my family is Echezina. He's from my father's side, but he's always drunk.
Oh.
Come to think of it. He told me he saw you and you said you don't know him. Don't you remember Eshezina that used to carry you when you were small?
Yes, mother. I remember him now. As at that time, I didn't, so.
And he said, you and your friend chased him away. He must be lying then. He is always drunk. Maybe it was another person.
You know what? I think I need some fresh air. Sorry, please excuse me.
Land full of honey, land full of blessings. Our king is no more, and I can be from love east and west, love north and
Sorry if I will have to excuse myself.
King's choice and list. For perfect woman, perfection can make this choice come true.
So madam, you're welcome. Thank you.
The king's list, you must have a good back for sure. No madness for your family, no drunkard. You must be educated with a good conduct. King choice.
I don't care that Echezina is your cousin. I'm sorry I have that impression.
You don't have to be sorry. I'm the one who's supposed to apologize, so I'm sorry.
I know maybe you're scared because of the way I sounded really dreadfully arrogant that you couldn't open up.
But
No, you don't have to worry about it. That's by the way. So feel free to invite your cousin for the party.
With a good conduct. King choice, you must have a good back for sure. No madness for your family, no drunkard. You must be educated.
Amarachi. Amarachi, I'm still trying to fathom the reason you did what you did at Naza's place.
You know why? You know why I did what I did? And like I told you that I am in love with you. And all you could do is to go after that girl? What does she have that I don't have?
I don't love you, Amarachi. No. How else do you want me to go about this? I don't love you. And you can never force me into loving you. You can't force me to love you. Now you've ruined my chances. You've destroyed the beautiful relationship I was building with Naza. What's your game? Why are you doing this to me? No, tell me, why are you being so cheap and desperate?
You changed me, Emeka. You changed me the minute you rejected me and went after that girl. After all we've been through? Really?
But I never promised you anything. I didn't promise you forever.
But you gave me hope. You were always there. You were my best friend. You always hang around me. You made me believe that I am the only woman in your life.
Oh, if that is the case, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay?
Well, sorry cannot solve anything. Because I am in love with you. I love you. That does not stop me from being pregnant anyways.
No, stop with that pregnancy of a thing already. Stop. Stop, please.
I can't. Because I am really pregnant.
Ulama, I have news.
You have news.
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
The prince. The prince? Found out that Echezina is my cousin.
My God.
Yes.
What? How did they get to find out? What did you spill?
No, come on. I wouldn't do something like that to you.
So how did they get to find out?
It wasn't intentional. My mom actually told him about it and he said he didn't mind.
Huh?
He heard it from my mom.
The prince didn't mind that your cousin is a drunk.
No, he didn't. In fact, he even invited him to his birthday party. Yes. And And he also said something about something special also on that day. But, you know, he also invited.
Wait. He said something is going to happen on the birthday.
He was happy when he said something special, and he was quite happy when he said it, but I don't know.
Do you think he's going to propose?
I think so, because he was really happy when he talked about the special part.
It's time. It's time to humiliate him. Look, once he brings out the ring and says, "Will you marry me?" Bring out your list and tell him that he's not qualified to be your husband. This is the time.
Uloma, I know the prince hurt you. I know he hurt your feelings. But I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what? What are you trying to say?
I'm saying that he doesn't deserve to be treated that way.
So I am the one who deserves to be humiliated. No, is that what you're trying to tell me?
No, that's not what I am saying.
Isn't it, we had an agreement? You agreed to help me as my best friend. You are going to do this.
Well,
we're in this together. I get it. You've gone to the palace, you've seen wealth. You've seen the wealth, the riches. You don't want to let go. You want to make the prince to marry you. It's not going to work.
Uloma, come on. You and I know it's not about the wealth. I wouldn't even care if he was a poor roadside mechanic.
So if the prince is a folknizer, you will marry him?
I don't mind. I don't
care
care about his
Don't speak this English to me. Don't tell me this. You will do this. It's a must.
Uloma, let me ask you a question. And if you can answer me honestly, then I'll be glad. Have you never hurt anyone before? Do you remember those days you were back in school? All the people you have hurt. Think about it. If each and every one of those persons never forgave you, what would be left of you? Tell me. What would be left of you right now?
I must be the queen of this kingdom, Omomako kingdom. When I go to bad, I want to see Gama, Echikeregama, Ekegoma Junume. I am good to go. Fire by force.
I brought a gift for you from the prince. He's inviting you for his upcoming birthday. Okay.
I must be the queen of this kingdom, Omomako kingdom.
Uloma.
When I go to bad, I
Uloma.
want to see Gama, Echikeregama, Ekegoma Junume. I am good to go. Fire by force. Nami must marry. Oh, Nami, I am well prepared. All the guests must go. I have the quality. Nami must marry. Nami, I am well prepared. All the guests must go. Idia Fuza, Idia. Nami must marry. Nami, I am well prepared. All the guests must go. Nami be the choosing one. Nami must marry. Nami, go. Nami, I am well prepared. All the guests
Oh, my son, what is it? This one you are standing like a statue. I hope all is well.
All is not well, Father. Do you know she's pregnant? Do you?
Who is pregnant?
The girl you've been imposing on me to marry. She's pregnant.
How? I mean, where? Who impregnated her? Did she tell you?
Of course, I know exactly who got her pregnant. Probably that carpenter guy that has been following her about this village. She got her pregnant, but I don't know the reason she does not want to marry that guy. But following me around.
Maybe because the carpenter guy is too old for her to marry.
No. The carpenter guy is not old for Amarachi to marry. She's not. Okay, Father. I just want to make it clear to you that the marriage you're planning between us will never hold. It's not going to work. Yes.
Sorry, I'm a bit inquisitive. Where's Uloma?
She's in here.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you.
What is the update? Remember, after today, you will have no other choice than to marry.
I'm already on it. I will propose to my fiancée today. So we have
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my friends.
next time you see me, I will be a married man.
That's beautiful. What am I doing here? And why Kaita? I can't remember anything. I need to examine myself.
Nazi. Oh! Oh my Omalicha, the most finest nurse in this kingdom.
What are you doing here?
Eh? Wait, so I can't come and pay you a visit without a motive? Eh? Oh, okay. You see, I have been pleading for you to give me a chance. Give me a chance. Let me show you that I feel something deep for you. But I don't know why you're just acting like you don't see what I want to. I want to show you how much I love you.
Actually, you're wasting your time. Yes, you are wasting your time. And don't even try to get to me. I don't like it. Now leave.
Oh, so it's because of Emeka. Because of Emeka, you are falling deeply in love with Emeka. That's why you're acting like this, eh? Okay?
So, yes. And even if it's your business, how is that your business? Okay, leave my father's house, please. Don't add to my anger.
It has not gotten to that. See, let me tell you something. You see all these boys in this village, all these guys in this village, they know how to sweet talk, make you feel like they want you to do things that you don't want to do. I know you don't want to do a lot
of... now, leave my house. Get out.
I should leave?
You heard me. Get out.
Well, I didn't say anything bad now. It has not gotten to that.
Leave my house.
It's not fair. I mean, I'm just trying to give you advice.
I will pour you water. Leave here.
You need to think about what I said to you. Think about it. They'll just use sweet mouth and be telling you things that you be believing. Get out!
What's even your problem?
I think it's time you pay up.
What are you saying?
The job has been done. Yes, your son, the prince, would soon propose to his love. That is, if he has not done that already.
Wow. I thought as much. I noticed it too. You played your part perfectly. Very, very okay.
Thank you.
How come you acted it as if you are an actress? Were you an actress?
Well, I have never been an actress, but I have done some stage dramas. Yes, and I've done something like this too, so it gets easier.
No wonder. Yes, because I'm so surprised the way you did the job so perfect. You know what? For a job well done, I am going to add 500,000 naira to your balance.
My queen! May the gods bless you. You're so generous.
It's alright. Let me transfer to your account. Okay. What's your bank?
UBA, ma'am.
It's okay. Call it.
Our king and his choice of wife. He say he knows what he want. He need a girl with plenty quality. A girl with plenty quality. If he get up, you be choice.
Do you remember where we first met? It was at the supermarket. The truth is I have not been myself ever since then. I've been fighting if it's actually a real feeling. But I think it is. I'll be the happiest man if we agree to do this together. I have made up my mind. Please. Be the mother of my unborn children. The future kings and queens of this kingdom. Will you marry me? You do not reach the criteria of what I'm looking for in a husband. And I cannot marry you. You're not what I want in a man.
I must be the queen of this kingdom, Omomako kingdom. Whether good or bad,
What are you doing? What are you doing here? And why are you dressed like? Why are you dressed like this? And why did you ask me to meet you here?
Your job here is done. It is time to return to that your bush village.
Hold on. What's going on? What's happening? Why are you dressed like me?
I am sure you heard me. Your job is done.
What did you do, Willema? What did you do? I'm listening, tell me.
I am sure you heard me.
What is going on here? Isn't it? Why did you reject my proposal?
You proposed?
Asking if I proposed. Oh. Wait a minute, wait a sec. Is this not the dress you were wearing? It was you. This dress, I'm sure you wore this dress. Who wore this dress just now? Wait, does it mean you were the one?
You caused it all. You said this negativity, this bad energy, this confusion right now. You are the one that initiated it all. Look at you. You made me fall for you. You paraded me around the whole village. And then turned around to humiliate me shamefully. And you think I am going to fold my hands and watch you? Hell no. That was the point I invited my childhood friend to come help me. I told her to pretend like she is everything you wanted in your stupid list.
Oh, now I get it. So this was all planned, no? This was a facade. A charade to humiliate me.
No, I didn't go through with it. All I did was be myself. It's not what you think. That's not how you see it.
But he's your cousin.
Uzona, please.
Yes. Uzona.
Have you seen how arrogant he is? I told you. It's good you saw for yourself.
Land full of honey, land full of blessings. Our king is no more, and I can be both. Love east and west, love north and south. Who go be my choice? Hey. King's choice and list. The perfect woman, perfect sugar make.
Get out. Just go. Leave.
Naza, please listen to me.
I won't listen to you. Okay? Now you listen. I will get a restraining order if you keep pestering my life like this. I don't like. Get out!
Naza, listen to me. You have to listen to me. Alright? I'm not here to convince you, but I must tell you the truth. Just nothing but the truth. You must know the truth. I and Amarachi were just friends.
Okay.
I'm not saying it for you to believe me, but I need to clarify myself. I and Amarachi were just friends until she professed her love for me. I had no feelings for her other than true friendship. Look, my love, I know you will believe me. It's you I love. It's you I want. You're the only woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. The only queen I have crowned right in my heart. That's why you're so natural. You are interactive, you are attractive, you are beautiful, you are presentable. I know you will believe me. Alright? And it hurts me so much to know that I am the reason you are in this sober reflection. But I promise I'll never hurt you again. I'll never make you cry. I'll always love and respect you. I love you so much. Alright? Come here, my love. I love you. And I'll always love you. Okay?
Please don't hurt me.
I will not. There's no way I'll hurt you. Right? Okay. Let's go inside.
Okay, let's get inside.
No.
What is it?
No.
How did the proposal go?
There's nobody to marry, so there's no proposal.
I don't understand. She rejected you.
Mom, I can't marry her.
She's what? Uzona, you are going to choose a woman and you will do it today and now.
Mom, look, I will not. Okay, where is Bianca? Yes, where is Bianca? If I must marry, then I can't marry any of those conspiratory people out there. It must be Bianca if I must marry.
Uzona, as it stands now, Bianca is no longer an option. She has gone. She has performed her duty. She had left. I contracted her. I paid her to come and act so that it will push you into getting a woman.
Mom, even you. Oh my God.
Don't even play the victim here. Because you caused the whole thing. When you came up with that list, if you had done the needful way you ought to do it, There will be no drama. You are going to take a wife now. Today, you have no time. Tomorrow is your coronation. You have to choose a wife and you will do it now.
Who go be my choice? Hey. King's choice at least. The perfect woman, perfection can make this choice come true. It's on the high side. The king's list, you must have a good man. For sure. No madness. For your family. No drunkard. You must be educated. It's a good conduct. King choice, you must have a good man.
I actually came to say I'm sorry for being part of Uloma's plan. Sorry.
You know, you're very dramatic. See, I've been avoiding lots of ladies who tried to entrap me with marriage. I know their technique and I try to avoid them. But yours, you have this method you use. I mean, very convincing method that is hard to understand. I guess this is how you've been trapping your men. This is how you get them.
You insufferable, arrogant, conceited coxcomb. You're really what Uloma said that you are. And I will never, ever marry a man who has such low opinion of me.
Well, you can go ahead and search more vocabulary in the dictionary. I don't care. I thank God there was no engagement.
Make you know whether you there. For King's list, on your gano. If you get up.
Emeka!
Uche! What is this? This is why you're hailing me like this.
Emeka, so you finally won the bet. Eh?
Won which bet? I don't understand what you're saying.
I saw you driving out of Naza's place. Eh? So you've been bashing Naza's punani and you kept it away from me. What kind of a friend are you? Eh? What kind of a friend are you?
It's okay. If that will make you to shut up. We just made love. We just did, yes.
So you finally chopped this girl Puna? Girl that everybody in this village has been trying their best to even have her, even if it's one small. Tell me, my guy, now which scope you use?
Uche, I don't want to see you anywhere close to this girl. I'll behead you.
Ah.
Yes, don't go close.
Like this now, you don't win your 10k. You don't collect 10k chop now. No wala.
What is 10k? You keep your 10k one day. Keep your money. Maybe let's go and enjoy ourselves. Huh?
You're very bad.
Mama Angoleka, take me to Mama Angoleka. Let's drink water and the strong, delicious food.
How could you do such a thing to a good family like that? I have always told you that your friend, Uloma, will put you into trouble. Now look at what she has done. Eh?
Mom, I have said sorry so many times and I'm not willing to say it anymore. I'm tired of saying sorry. The prince, he thinks too highly of himself. I'm beginning to think what Uloma said was right all along. She was always right. He's so arrogant.
Why will he not think so high of himself? He is the prince. His mother, the queen, gave us 5 million naira. 5 million naira for the children of the orphanage. What if she takes his back?
What is going on here? Ezinne, I hope you are not planning to leave this palace after what you committed.
I am so sorry, Your Highness. Please, forgive my child. She is just acting out of child's mind. Please. Please.
Well, Your Majesty, I'm truly sorry for everything I did. I'm willing to leave this place and never come back. I'm truly sorry. Forgive me.
Ezinne, you go nowhere. You must atone for what you caused this royal family.
Before we proceed, Ezemo, I would like the prince to present to us the betrothed. Or are we going to crown a man that do not have the desire to marry and get us a heir to the throne? I'm asking.
Oh, no, you speak the truth. Your Highness, let me ask you. Do you have any maiden betrothed to? Or don't you have the desire to be married?
Of course, I have a desire to be married. And I have my wife's here. I was thinking that this will come first before doing the proper presentation, but since you want it like this, there's no problem. Of course, I'll call them. Start with my first wife. Ezinne, please come. Ezinne, this beautiful woman here is my first wife. Olama! Olama is my second wife. I believe you know her.
Yes.
Thank you. So can the coronation begin, please?
Let us proceed.
Or you want a third wife?
How long do you think this will last? Us pretending the queen really likes us? You and I know that this is all for the crown, right? It's just for them to keep the crown. You and I will be discarded as soon as the prince finds someone he wants to marry.
Well, Ezinne, you seem to be forgetting something. Uzonna is now a king, and that automatically makes her a queen. So there is nothing to be afraid of.
Well, I guess this is what you've always wanted.
You have succeeded in dragging my son into marriage. The reason I married both of you to him is to teach him a lesson. But let me warn you. No other ear should hear about this. Because the culprit will wish she never talked.
Well, my queen, you don't have anything to worry about. It is our secret.
See, I told you so. Look at what she just said. She just confirmed what I've been saying all along.
Ezinne, I have a new power to exercise. Excuse me.
How could you, Okoro? How could you not inform me that Oloma's bride price has been paid? And you know how crucial this information is to me. Emia?
It was an emergency or no?
The prince came unexpectedly, paid full bride price and took her away. I was surprised as you are, but I really needed Oloma out of the house so I could put a tenant in that building.
Obocha,
that's all.
You just betrayed all my plans. Eh? Do you know how important this situation is to me? Eh? Do you know? You just jeopardized every of my plans. All the important information that I needed. All because of your greed.
Ha! Also greed. Eh? Do you think I do not know why you want that information? You dare open your mouth to call me greedy. Why do you not want Prince to have a bride? Tell me.
But
just tell me.
If you are not greedy, what are you? But you will hear from me.
You don't want the prince.
You will hear from me.
Eh? No. Come now. Eh? Oh no. Yeah? Look at Ono. She doesn't want the prince to get a bride so he can become the next king. Foolish man. That can never happen. Sure.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Ezinne and Oloma, I can see both of you are now friends. That is good. But there are duties attached to being a queen.
What are those duties, Your Majesty?
Among the most important is giving this kingdom an heir. Automatically becomes the head queen. Not only for the throne, but for our family legacy.
We understand that, Your Majesty.
Both of you exercise your duties with dignity and grace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ezinne, including you.
Indeed, Your Majesty.
To be the queen of this kingdom, Omo Mako Kingdom.